Happy Easter. Oh, I'm gonna make some cakes. A bunny cake, a lamb cake. First of all, wear an apron so you won't get dirty. Gracie cook.
You're Gracie cook. Are you gonna help, honey?
I have flour, milk, butter, eggs. Now we're gonna
great. Oh, make sure.
Now we're gonna add the egg.
Okay.
Gosh. There. Now we're gonna add some butter. Now we're gonna add some butter.
Wow, all going in there. Looks delicious already.
Now, milk is the last thing to make everything good. Now, my daddy's gonna mix. Close your ears, everybody.
Let's go ahead and do it.
That tastes good.
No!
How do like sheep and lamb have to be so white? Hey, the camera's over here. Now I'm gonna get some coconut, guys. And you know, I'm gonna just give you my name, Jade. That's all. So now I have some coconut, and I'm gonna put the fur on. Cause you know it's coconut, so. You have to do with the bunny. Oh yeah, you have to put the eyes and the nose on.
Now, sweetheart, this was the first time that you ever made a lamb cake all by yourself?
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much.
You're
it was
welcome.
great. Bye. Say
See
goodbye.
you later, guys.
Look at the pretty egg.
Oh, look at Sash. Oh, so beautiful. Look at Sash.
The Easter Bunny left an egg.
Where's she cheese? Oh, so beautiful.
Oh, beautiful pictures.
Yay!
How many more
Wow.
eggs, Easter Bunny?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
Oh, you did so great. You did amazing.
Look for the Easter Bunny egg again.